Hello, and welcome back to Angle Collects Toy Review and Unboxing. And in today's video, I will be unboxing two Transformers today. One of which is the War for Cybertron Ratchet and the Age of the Primes Alchemist Prime. Yep, we'll just get into it. And we'll start off with Ratchet first. Which, by the way, anyone who knows those War for Cybertron games, peak, they need to be remade. I don't know what, is it Hasbro? I'm assuming it's Hasbro. Whoever's in charge of that, I'm gonna blame Hasbro. And maybe, what was that other movie company? Paramount. I'm blaming them too. I'm blaming anyone who's involved in this. Remake. I won't even say remake. I guess remake, remaster, port, even just port over the original War for Cybertron and Fall of Cybertron games to next-gen consoles, please. I'm begging you. But anywho, they were such good games. And also, please, give us Transformers Reactive, whatever they're calling it now. I swear, the last time I saw it was Reactive. Oh, so there's our figure, and just like most Studio Series toys, even got a little backdrop for him. So we'll just put that to the side for now. Sorry, his instructions, that's just a slip of paper. Let's free my boy. Gosh darn it. Oh, good. All right. Okay, but I broke it. It's interesting. Oh, there's the instruction. How did they get over there? Oh, his hand popped off. Just go ahead and... Yep. There we go. So, here's the boy in all his glory. Everyone's favorite medic for the Autobots. Was also definitely a bit bloodthirsty in them Bay movies. If anyone knows the scene where they were hiding from Sam's parents and Ironhide offered to take them out. I noticed this upon rewatching like a couple months ago. When Ironhide offered to take them out, Ratchet was hyping the man up to kill Sam's parents. I never noticed as a kid. But here's Ratchet. Alright, not a bad looking figure. He's got some decent articulation in the arms. Let's see. Oh, his fist can rotate 360 degrees. So can his arms. Oh, arms and shoulders. As long as you lift up his little shoulder panel. Let me get that back. There we go. Not much in the head. No, wait. There it is. It was just a bit stiff. Did I? Let me just turn it back, actually. Yeah, you can look somewhat up and down. Not much. Can his torso twist around the full 360? It's got some decent leg articulation as well. Get that boy hit the splits. Alright, not bad. Robot mode looks great too. Looks just like his game counterpart, and he does come with two accessories. He's got his axe and his little blaster cannon. Pew, 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 pew. Ooh. And for the axe, if you ever want to attach it, you have to take it. I wouldn't say take it apart. It's not much of. You gotta push it through its hand a little bit. Oh, and it came out. There we go. Boom. Kind of, actually, I'm pretty sure. Look at, yeah. Pretty much the same accessories as the War for Cybertron Ironhide. Does he have an axe? Yeah, he does have an axe as well. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop. I mean, all around, not a bad robot mode. I don't really have any other War for Cybertron figures to compare him to aside from Ironhide. About the same quality. Both very good looking figures. Oh, did I screw something up here? There you go. But yeah. Now, let's get on to his alt mode. Let me just... Oh, actually, before I transform him, there was a backdrop down. And I regret taking his weapons off, but... Ooh. Those little backpack is pushing it. Ooh. Stop that. Anyway, here's his little Studio Series backdrop. But now, without further ado, we're going to transform him. Let me just whip out the instructions, because I most certainly do not know how to transform him off the top of my head. It's got, let me see how many is it. Oh, wait, hold on. Before we do that, I just checked something. So, aside from attaching his, equipping his gun to his hand, you can also just replace his hand entirely. Like it's like it transforms. Yeah. Hold on, I'm seeing it. No, wait. Wait a minute. Oh, hold on. I looked at these instructions. Apparently, you can also store his gun. Was it here? I may have missed. Wait a minute. No, I may have screwed something up. Maybe. I'm looking at this. He's saying it's supposed to go right. Oh, wait a minute. There it is. Gun can go right there. And his axe. Right. Yep. You can peg his axe and gun onto his back for storage. Now, without further ado, let's get into his transformation. I'm just gonna lay these instructions out right here. You can watch me fiddle around and screw this up. Wait a minute. Ooh. Oh. No, wait, I did that wrong. Fold him down. I feel like I'm doing something wrong already. Supposed to fold his head down. Ooh, I don't want to break him. Hold on. All right, hold on. I think I'm getting this. Hold on. Okay, I think I'm getting this. Nope. All right. Ooh, sorry for the pause. I think I'm getting it. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Me. Ooh. Hold on. Yes. Oh, look at that. That thing's looking like a thing. Imagine getting T-boned by this. All right. What is next? His legs. You gotta swivel these babies. Ooh. All right. Look at that meat muscle. Ooh. Sorry for the multiple jumps. Still trying to not do good at this. Oh no. I know. No. There it is. No, wait. All right. Oh. Hold on. Ooh. Oop, may have. Did I screw up somewhere? I feel like I screwed up somewhere. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, that's the same. Okay, there it is. Mm-hmm. Ooh. All right, give me a minute while I figure this. All right, so we have God knows fish is trying to get these parts pegged in. Oh, there we go. Also don't want to freaking break it. Gotta be gentle. I don't need another mishap. All right. Then just gotta get these. Mm-hmm. Oh, there's it. All right, and just push that up. Look at that. This is a Cybertronian something. I don't know what you would call it. Does it even say on his box what he is? No. It's his Cybertronian vehicle. Look at him. We'll just move this out of the way. Look at him. Honestly though, not a bad alt mode. For the Cybertronian alt modes. I know there's always criticism about them. There's always like, what is it supposed to be? What am I like? I just transformed him into like with the Fallen from the Revenge of the Fallen toy line, he transforms into supposed to be a ship, but honestly, when I was a kid, I couldn't figure out how to transform him, so I just kind of crumpled him together, and I was like, that looks like what he's supposed to be, so I just kind of went with that. But I mean, although still, it's at least he's a. You could at least say this. He's just because of a Cybertronian car. You could at least say that for Ratchet. At least most of the Autobots, from what I can tell. Awesome. He has his weapon storage. The top, you can just. Pretty sure supposed to be it. No, wait. I'm sorry. It was right. No, wait. I got that backwards. There it is. Ooh, I dropped it. And then his gun, you can I just saw it. There's. Peg that in the back. All in all, good figure, in my opinion. If you like the War for Cybertron games, I'd say it's a great pickup. Something nice to have in your collection, especially if you don't really have much from that series and you want something. Say grab yourself a War for Cybertron Ratchet. And then maybe one day when you have enough, you can have yourself a nice little play day. I enjoy having play days with my toys. It's very therapeutic after a long week. But that's Ratchet. Everyone say goodbye to Ratchet. Now we'll move on to Alchemist Prime. Alright. Ooh. And now, onto one of the 13 Primes. If you can't see it, I love his little mustache. It's like a, what would you call it? It's like a whimsical, looks like one of those whimsical pilots you'd see in old movies, flying a red baron, like the pizza man. Yes. All right. Paper that says stuff that I don't read. So, from what I can tell, he doesn't come with a backdrop like Ratchet did. Now let's go ahead and free my man. Oh, gotta be careful with the fingers. Should just use my scissors, but now the closest thing I have to me is the knife. All right. Ooh, little plastics. So there's our Prime, or one of 13. I don't really know if I'll be getting all the others. I don't like shopping online. I mean, I don't mind it, but it's more fun to go to the store and find them. His little accessories. Hold on. Ooh, what were they called? I don't even remember what these accessories are called. But I know you're supposed to put them together. Am I doing that? No, wait. There it is. I call them nerd glasses. He's got nerd glasses, even though they don't go on his face. That's an alright accessory to have. You know, nothing too fancy as you would normally see. As for the Prime himself, he's a bit stiff. Been in the box for too long. Let's go. He's got some alright articulation in the arms. You can move the shoulder up and down. I'd say this is side to side. I'm going to say it's side to side. That goes for both arms. Wrists, swivel 360. Oh, I know you're supposed to. Wasn't there? Is this the pose that he could make? He can do the little. Wait a minute. No, I think they pegged into his arms. Yeah, wait, no. Pretty sure it has to be this way. Is that it? How do you do? Oh, wait a minute. seeing it. It's like this. Okay, okay, I'm seeing it now. There it is. That's the pose. Hooah. Alright. But for his legs, you know, he's got some alright leg articulation as well. You can get him. Hold on. I got this. I'm hitting that kick pose. Yeah. You know, legs, they also rotate, which are probably going to play into his transformation. I feel they always do. Honestly, from what I can tell, he is one of the more basic of the 13 Prime figures that they've released. Especially from what I've seen, especially because I think it's Onyx Prime, Megatronus Prime. I can't remember the other ones that have already come out because I don't have them. Because they always go out stock day they drop. But I mean, yeah, he's an alright looking figure. I think the back has I feel like they have a little more to be desired in the back. Not really a fan of the open wrists. A little plain in the back. Yeah, like I said, plain. Oh, but he's not a bad looking figure. Also, I love his mustache. Like a robotic Charlie Chaplin. Is he? No, that wasn't his mustache. Red Baron. We'll stick with the Red Baron. Oh, he does have some wrist movements. Or not wrist. Hips. Torso. Just torso. He's got some torso movements. Yeah. So, with his robot mode out of the way, let's move on to his Ults mode, which is just another Cybertronic car. That it? Oh, okay. Nope. First things first, we'll just fold this forward. And we'll just tuck his head away. Real simple. Oh, I was right. You twist him around. Open his little leggies up. Okay, yeah. Open his legs up. Fold his feet in. I was right that they were going to play into his transformation. They always do. Did I not fold them in all the way? Wait a minute. Okay, I am seeing that there is more to this. Oh, hold on. Let me straighten this out first before we... So once you've folded them out, you peg them together. And let's just flip this right. Yeah, we don't need... We're not... No, I'm assuming we're going to close this soon, but yeah, just keep these pegged together. Fists. You'll fold them in. Oh, it's interesting. Ooh. Disconnect his arms. Nice. No. Can't help but feel I'm doing something wrong. Oh, why can't these ever just be printed in full color? Wait. All right. Okay, I think I'm seeing the dream. Yes. Okay. And then we fold. Okay, I'm seeing it now. Fold that back up. Hold on. There it is. You just peg the top together after, folding his arms into his, no. So you fold the arms down. So you fold these arms down, and then once that's happened, you'll fold the legs back up to cover the arms, and you'll peg this top part together. Then you just push his little windshield up. Oh, I screwed up. Pushed it up too much. Please don't break. Please. Okay, there it is. And boom. This is his Cybertruck. I don't know. He's a car. Looks like a Jeep. You can also put his little artifact up on his roof. And boom. Alchemist Prime vehicle mode. They just lift it up. I don't know if you. Maybe. Did I put that on the wrong? Would it be better this way? No. Wait a minute. There it is. Barely. Hold on. I think it's supposed to go this way. There it is. Honestly, he's an all right alt mode. Not too big, decent size figure. Adjust it down. Wow. Like I said, compared to what I've seen from the other of the primes that they've released so far, and actually not even just the primes, other figures that have come out from this series, this series alone. He's not the most impressive looking one. I'd say if you're wanting to collect the 13 primes and you haven't started, if you've started and you've been getting them as they've come out, then, this doesn't apply to you, but if you're trying to get into getting all the 13 primes and you haven't started yet, I'd say you could probably put Alchemist Prime on the back burner. I wouldn't prioritize him over any of the others. But if you really want him that bad for your collection, I'd say go for it. He's a decent sized figure. I don't know. I can't speak on the price because I got mine from GameStop, and I don't recall what his price was on first release. I don't know if their prices were the same, but I still got him because I wanted him because I'm trying to get all 13. And he's also the only one I have so far. Not bad figure, just not something I would prioritize getting. And now, by the way, and after this camera goes off, I will turn these Ratchet and Alchemist back to their robot modes because vehicle modes do take up more space than the robots, and I'm running out of space. But anywho, that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed. And hey, comment down below what your favorite Transformers is. And if you plan on getting Alchemist, or if you're just gonna skip over him for something else, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.